5 ways to make money as a teenager online. 0 investment. How to make money as a teenager. Let's be honest. Being a teenager is exciting, but it's also frustrating sometimes. You want your own money. You don't want to ask your parents every time you need something. You see other people buying gadgets, clothes, games, going out with friends, and you think, how are they making money? Here's the truth. You don't need to be 18. You don't need investment. You don't need a rich family. And you definitely don't need luck. You need internet, consistency, and the right strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 real ways teenagers are making money online with 0 investment. No scams, no fake promises, no get-rich-overnight nonsense. Let's get started. 1. Freelancing. Turn your skills into cash. First question. Can you do anything on a computer or phone? Can you edit videos? Can you design simple posters? Can you write captions? Can you translate languages? Can you make PowerPoint slides? Can you manage Instagram pages? If yes, you already have a skill, and skills equals money. Freelancing simply means offering your skill to someone who needs it. There are thousands of small business owners, YouTubers, Instagram creators, and startups looking for help. And many of them don't care about your age. They care about results. Here's how you start. Step 1. Pick one skill. Don't try to do everything. Choose one. Step 2. Improve it for 2 to 3 weeks. Watch YouTube tutorials. Practice daily. Step 3. Create 3 to 5 sample works. No clients yet? No problem. Create fake projects. For example, design a logo for an imaginary brand. Edit a random video. Create Instagram posts for a fake company. Step 4. Start offering services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or even directly through Instagram DMs. At the beginning, don't focus on money. Focus on experience and reviews. Your first $20 online will feel better than any gift money. And once you get 2 to 3 clients, your confidence changes completely. Freelancing teaches you communication, discipline, professional behavior, real-world skills. And the best part? 0 investment, just skill. 2. Content creation. YouTube, Shorts, TikTok. Now let's talk about something powerful, content creation. Most teenagers consume content every day, but very few create it. That's the difference between entertainment and income. You don't need expensive cameras. You don't need a studio. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. Here are content ideas teenagers can start. Study tips, gaming, motivation, football edits, tech reviews, anime content, AI tutorials, money-making tips, storytelling, facts videos. You can start with just your phone. Short-form content is exploding right now. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok. One viral video can change everything. But listen carefully. Don't chase viral. Chase consistency. Post 1 video daily or 3 to 4 videos weekly. In the beginning, you'll get 10 views, 20 views, maybe 100 views. That's normal. Every big creator started with 0. Once you grow, you can earn from YouTube AdSense, brand deals, affiliate marketing, selling your own products. And here's the biggest advantage. If you start at 15 and stay consistent for 3 years, by 18, you could already have an income source while others are just starting. Content creation is not quick money. It's long-term freedom. 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn without owning a product. Now imagine this. You recommend a product to someone, they buy it, you earn commission. That's affiliate marketing. Simple. You don't create products, you don't handle delivery, you don't deal with customer service, you just promote. Here's how teenagers can start. Step 1. Pick a niche. For example, gaming, gadgets, books, fitness, AI tools, online courses. Step 2, join affiliate programs. Examples: Amazon affiliate, ClickBank, Digistore, Impact. Software affiliate programs. Step 3, promote through YouTube videos, Instagram pages, Telegram groups, blogging, Pinterest. For example, if you make a video about best budget gaming setup, you can add affiliate links in the description. When someone buys through your link, you earn commission. The key to affiliate marketing is trust. Don't promote random junk. Promote products you would actually use. At first, you may earn nothing, but one good video can generate income for months. Affiliate marketing is powerful because you work once, you earn repeatedly. And yes, zero investment. 4, selling digital products. This one is underrated. You don't need a physical product to sell online. You can sell digital products. Examples: study notes, ebooks, templates, resume designs, Notion templates, AI prompts, workout plans, budget planners, Lightroom presets, Instagram caption packs. Think about this. If you are good at math, you can create Class 9 Math Notes PDF. Sell it for $3. If 100 students buy it, that's $300 from one PDF. You create once, sell unlimited times. You can sell on Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, or even through Instagram DMs. The best part? No delivery cost, no inventory, no shipping. Digital products are scalable, and as a teenager, you already understand what other students need. You are your own market research. 5, online micro jobs and AI work. Now let's talk about something practical. Micro jobs. If you don't have a strong skill yet, you can still earn. There are platforms where companies pay people for small tasks like data entry, testing apps, writing short reviews, training AI systems, transcribing audio. Websites like Remote Tasks, Clickworkers, Microworkers, User Testing, Appen. The money won't be huge, but it's a starting point. Even $50 to $100 per month is powerful for a teenager. And here's the smart move. While doing micro jobs, use that time to build a real skill. Don't stay small forever. Use small income to build big income. Important reality check. Let me be honest with you. Making money online is not magic. You will feel lazy sometimes, get 0 views, get rejected, doubt yourself. That's normal. The difference between successful teenagers and broke teenagers is consistency. Most people quit after 2 weeks. If you stay for 2 years, you automatically win. The teenager advantage. Adults have bills, stress, responsibilities. You have time, energy, curiosity, fewer risks. This is your best phase to experiment. Even if you fail, you lose nothing. But if you succeed, you change your future early. How to start today, step by step. If you're confused, follow this simple plan. Day 1, choose one method from this video. Week 1, learn the basics. Week 2 to 4, practice daily. Month 2, start posting or offering services. Month 3, improve quality. Month 6, you'll see real results if you didn't quit. Simple. Not easy, but simple. Final words. You don't need rich parents. You don't need luck. You don't need investment. You need discipline, patience, consistency. Start small, but start today. Because 1 year from now, you'll either say, "I'm glad I started," or "I wish I started." The choice is yours. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content about making money online and building your future early. See you in the next video.